Good morning. Today I'm going to make a piece of plexiglass to fit in where the screen is in my window to fit the exhaust for my portable AC. So if you have a crank out window, you can take the screen off and you can crank it open, and that you can buy the ones they have there and there. You got to zip them in, and so every time you have to close the window, you'd have to take it out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a piece of plexiglass, and this is the exhaust size here. So what I did is I made a little template for it, and first off I'll cut out a square and then I'll get the sides afterwards. But yeah, so this is the piece of plexiglass. It fits right over to the edges and up, a little bigger than the screen so it can't fall out. And then once I put it in place, and I'm going to use these expansion rods to hold it into place. Can't fall out, it can't fall in. And then it can just stay there for the summer. There we go. Done. There we go. Just crank the window open. And turn on the air. I just have to make a back plate for this so I can fasten it there permanently, and we're good to go.